Welcome to this tutorial on how to change the price on Vrbo. As a property owner or manager, it is essential to have control over your pricing to maximize your revenue and stay competitive in the market. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to update your pricing on Vrbo. First, log into your Vrbo account and navigate to your dashboard. From there, click on the Manage Listings tab and select the property for which you want to change the price. Next, click on the Pricing tab and then select the rate type you want to modify. You can choose from different rate types such as nightly, weekly, or monthly rates. Now, enter your new price and specify the dates for which the new price applies. You can also set different prices for different seasons or periods. It is crucial to keep in mind that Vrbo allows you to set minimum and maximum stays, as well as different pricing for weekends and weekdays. Make sure to review these settings and adjust them according to your needs. After updating your pricing, review your changes to ensure everything is correct. It is also essential to keep an eye on your competition and adjust your pricing accordingly to stay competitive. Additionally, consider using Vrbo's pricing tools, such as the Pricing Suggestions feature, which provides recommendations based on market trends and demand. This can help you optimize your pricing strategy and increase your bookings. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. Your new pricing will be live on Vrbo, and you can start receiving bookings at the updated rate. By following these steps, you can easily change the price on Vrbo and stay on top of your pricing strategy. Remember to regularly review and adjust your pricing to maximize your revenue and stay competitive in the market.